The day before the election, we went for shopping. Usually we go out at noontime to pray at our local mosque with Imam, and after that we visit couple of markets. They brought things for Mother's Day. On my mind, I have Turkish snacks video showing you my favorite ones. Tell me if you would be interested. Ten, 15 years ago, if they would tell me that there's gonna be so much traditional frozen Turkish food, I wouldn't believe. We always have something egg dish for the breakfast. This time I wanted to make egg kapı. You hard boil the eggs and then make a butter sauce with pepper flakes and mint, and place the hard boiled eggs to cover with the sauce. For the full recipe, check my links down below.
Teknolojik trendlerde olmayan motorsuz treni kalkış treni inşaatçısı Kevin Jones kaldırma zincirde içiler. Zamandır bağlayın. 7 metre uzunluğundaki ilk hidrolik pres kullanılan şansına birkaç gönüllü bulmayı başarmış.
Olarak ayarlıyoruz. Haberimiz bilmeden önce hiçbir sorun yaşanmayacağından %100 emin olacağız.
Sonrasında mekanik frenler trenin alt kısmı bulunuyor. Göz görevi gören
İşlemcilerimiz oluyor.
yol sonuna gelmekte olan treni durdurması emredilir.
Geliyor.
Vay. Bu inanılmaz.
Kullanma işlemi gerçekleşebiliyor. Nüfus sorumluluğu bulunuyor. Bunu
Finally, it's the election day. I feel, I don't know, different, happy. We are praying for the best for our country. Seviyorum, gel.
Kuşta maksat katlamazsa.
Zikzak değil, önce ikiye katla.
Ama nasıl ön tarafı?
Look at this beauty. Çok güzel.
Korktu ki. Korktu. Allah.
So we are done. Within probably 8 hours we will see the result. Very excited. It was much more crowded than compared to other times. People seemed relaxed, but of course everyone has their own idea, their own choice. It was weird to see the Western countries news about it. I don't know why they are so interested about our election in Turkey. At the end, it's our country, our choice, our election in democratic way. We'll see. After the noontime prayer and walking uphill all the way back home, I decided to make election special cake donut. It was also the Mother's Day and my daughter wanted to make it, but she didn't want to walk, so waited for the bus, and we were back home earlier, so I began to make it. It is better to keep the dough a bit sticky so you get more nicer, softer and crunchy outside donuts. Normally I would let it wait in the fridge a bit, but I didn't. It's a sticky dough, so when you use your donut cutter it sticks to that too. Simply you can solve this by dipping your donut cutter into flour first. It's been a while since I made this recipe, and it reminded me the times in New York when we were having blueberry cake donuts from Dunkin' Donuts.
Yani. Aa baba yani var ya geçerken şeyi atmak için gördüm ama öyle bir şey ondan var. Böyle pembeli bir şey.
To coat the donuts, we mix powdered sugar with cinnamon. You can use only powdered sugar or make some simple icing by mixing water and powdered sugar. Generously dip your donuts and they are ready.
Boyunca yoğun bir seçim kampanyası yürüttü. 45 mitinge katıldı. 54 farklı noktada seçmenle bir araya geldi. Bugün ise
Şu anda ittifak oyları Türkiye geneli. Cumhurbaşkanlığı seçiminde açılan sandık oranı
I recently ordered this gözleme pan. It is heavy, big and round, and for the first time I'm gonna try it today. So I prepared a simple dough with flour, salt and water. Shape them into balls. Cover and let it rest, and meanwhile I'm gonna make the fillings. I'm gonna do two different kind of fillings today. One with spinach that I bought yesterday, and one with potatoes. After sauteing a medium-sized onion in olive oil, I added 2 medium-sized potatoes grated. You can drizzle some more olive oil if it sticks to the pan. Add some salt, red pepper flakes and black pepper. Give it a mix. Cover and let it steam to soften a bit for about 4 or 5 minutes, and it's ready. For the spinach filling, I'm gonna do everything fresh, not going to cook. Chopping my spinach into small pieces, adding finely chopped diced onion and some salt. I rub everything. The salt will soften the mixture and release its water. Again seasoned it with some red pepper flakes, black pepper, and the Lord cheese I bought yesterday. I'm using thin rolling pin, oklava as we say in Turkish, to roll out my pieces, but you can also do it with regular rolling pin. And for the detailed recipe and also how I roll out my dough, you can also check, I already shared this gözleme recipe before. After cooking them halfway, you have to butter one side so it cooks better and gets in golden color. It was already getting late for the dinner, so I cooked 3 gözlemes with spinach and 3 with potato filling, and cooked the others later after the dinner.
İzmir kaç onu da bilmiyorum ama ben 52.49'lara düşmesi bu saatten sonra zor gözüküyor açıkçası. Yani
Bu başa baş
evet, ama tamamına tamamına yakın, yani %60.
Yürüyerek halkla konuştu. Ardından aracına bindi ve bu noktadan, Kısıklı'dan uzaklaşıyor.
Konuşacağız. İttifaka sonra da hatta sancılı bir süreçe dahil edilmiş.
We are up for sahur and early breakfast before dawn to fast. It is recommended to fast for 6 more days after Ramadan during the next lunar month.
Yeniden Refah Partisi'nin 2.8 gibi önemli bir oy aldığını görüyoruz.
Cumhurbaşkanlığı seçiminde de güven ve istikrar tecelli etti. Henüz resmen önümüze gelmediği için milli iradenin tezahürünü bekliyoruz.
Next day, which is the May 15, after I begin to edit my vlog, for the iftar, I'm making green peas stew. First, I'm going to cook my meat until soft. From the market, I also bought fresh greens, parsley and mint. Before I wash couple of times, I'm soaking them in some water with vinegar. For the dessert, I decided to make Kemalpaşa tatlısı. It's a ready dessert, has cheese in the dough, baked like until dried, and you just soak and continue to boil in sugar syrup, and it becomes ready in about 20 minutes of boiling. After it is cooled down, you sprinkle good amount of shredded coconut flakes and ready to serve. Since I'm fasting, my daughter gave it a try and it was delicious, she said. My meat is soft enough, so I added some onion, green peppers, sauteed and added some tomato and pepper paste, garlic from the freezer, fresh tomatoes, and give it a good stir. Add hot water along with fresh peas. Add some salt and black pepper and simmer.
Bunların hepsi aslında mevcut İktidar Partisi'nin aleyhine işleyen nüanslar.